hi there! Today we're doing 2 simple and high-end DIY IKEA hacks. I'm Man, this is Mars, and today we're flipping these simple and budget IKEA products and we're turning them into beautiful pieces that look so much more expensive. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button because it really helps us keep making these videos for you. Now we are starting right off with the first project, and for that one we are going to need the RAST 3-drawer chest from IKEA. I want to add the RAST unit right over here in this empty space next to the ivory cabinet with sliding doors. And this is actually a really budget product. It comes at only $49, but it's made out of solid wood, which gives us the opportunity to shape it and paint it whatever color we like. Now this is a freestanding unit, but my idea is to actually cut the bottom part exactly the size of this front board. So before we are assembling it, we are measuring and cutting it to size, so let's do it. Now when the cuts are done, we can move on to assembling the unit. Now when the base is done, I'm moving on to hang it. I'm actually using a leftover board to do it, and I'm leveling everything before moving on to attaching it to the wall. After assembling the drawers, it's now time to stain it, so let's do it. Now you may be wondering why there are not knobs on my unit. Well, I don't like the knobs that came with the unit since I want to make it more minimalistic and simple. So after rethinking everything, I decided to make small circle holes as a way to open the drawers. Something just like this. To do that, first I'm finding the center of each drawer. And now we're moving on to making the holes using my screwdriver and this drill bit. After making the holes, we're giving them a light sand and one last coat of stain. Now all that is left to do is just cover the holes that we left behind with some wood filler, so let's do it. Now let's move on to the second project, and I promise you this is such an easy one. I got this $9 Ikea lamp and I'm planning on changing the color of it. So before assembling it, we're prepping it for painting, so let's do it. To paint this lamp, I'm using spray paint. I personally opted for these two neutral colors to aim for a more natural and minimalistic look. And now when everything's ready, all we have to do is assemble the light. I got this big round light bulb to pair it with my lamp, and it turned out so good. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like my IKEA hacks. If you did, let me know which one was your favorite and let me know if you do anything differently. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to never miss another video again. I have so many DIY and IKEA videos coming up this next month and you don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Mars, do you like the DIYs? Do you like the DIYs? Of course you do. You sleepy boy. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye.